Thank you so much for being here at the Sally Dark Rides booth. We are so excited to share wonderful news with you all. And happy IAAPA week. Can we just say that? Happy IAAPA! Well, this has been an incredible year for Sally Dark Rides. We have opened 3 dark rides this year, and just a few months ago announced a 4th. And man, is it a good one. Today we are thrilled to finally share more details about the next family dark ride for our team, SpongeBob's SquarePants Crazy Carnival Ride. This amazing ride is possible because of our trust and partnership we have with Circus, Paramount, and Nickelodeon, all of which are here today. And to tell you more about this exciting project, please welcome General Manager of Circus, Shayna Garrity.
Good morning, how is everyone? Circus is located in Las Vegas, right on the Las Vegas Strip. We've been servicing millions of customers every year for the last 55 years. Circus is truly a family-friendly property, and we have 25 plus rides underneath 5 acres of an indoor theme park, including world-class circus acts and a midway. Recently, we began revitalizing Circus from the outside in. We were doing pretty pink paint top, say that 5 times twice, and then moved into the inside and started redesigning and making that interior pretty as well. Through this process, we found a dead space, and the great folks at Sally's, Paramount, and Nickelodeon have all partnered with us to create SpongeBob's SquarePants. We are truly amazed at the incredible talent on each team, and we are looking forward to presenting to you guys SpongeBob's SquarePants in early 2024 at Circus. So on behalf of everybody at Circus, thank you. Thank you for your hard work. They are working tireless hours to create this experience for everybody, and we truly look forward to it. So thank you all so much, and we look forward to what the future looks like.
I'm John Wood, Chairman and President of Sally Dark Rides, and I want to tell you a little bit about the story behind this dark ride. Not only was it a story to make it happen, but the story of the dark ride itself. You see, Mr. Krabs has come up with a new plan to make money, and it's to have a carnival. And he's asked SpongeBob and Patrick if they would go get the game implements to use for this great ride, this great carnival. Well, they picked up the wrong boxes, and when they opened the boxes, they found that they had Krabby Patty ingredients, and had tomatoes and lettuce and the patties and the buns, and they didn't know what to do, but they opened for business, and Krabs says, get going, but they didn't tell Krabs that they were using the ingredients for the Krabby Patties. So they go through and they have a lot of fun throwing their patties instead of darts, and yet this gives an opportunity for the nemesis, Plankton, sorry, I went blank, but Plankton, to see that he might have a chance to steal the formula for this great Krabby Patty. So the process has a couple of different storylines. Eventually, I think we win, but we want to show off one of the characters, the character of Mr. Krab. So without further ado, let's reveal the greenway.
Why, I'm so excited about the carnival games, I could just sing. Oh, if I could talk to money, how great my life would be. We'd tell each other secrets, all their friends would visit me. If I could talk to money, and it could talk to me, we'd always be the best of friends for all eternity. Ooh, that reminds me. It's almost time to go check my profits. I mean, the patrons. These carnival games won't be around forever, so get in there and start playing.
Our creative team is led by our Chief Creative Officer, Rich Hill, who's behind us here, Behind this display, we have a POV video, a number of storyboards, so you get
Hurry,
more
hurry,
information.
step right up and have a whale of a good time with me collection of classic Carnival games, featuring your favorite games of skill, the ring toss, the police smash, the bubble pop. We have it all, so don't miss out on all the fun.
So if you have any questions, feel free to talk to Rich or any of our representatives or Paramount or Circus. Thank you all for coming, and go to Las Vegas and ride SpongeBob's
Remember,
Crazy
you
Fun.
can't win if you don't play, and if you don't play, it'll break me cold crustacean heart. You wouldn't want to do that now, would you? So get in there and bye.